how good your hearing is. So listen closely and let me know at what point your ears pick up the sound. The more you could hear, the better, obviously. Okay.